Okay guys, what we are gonna to do with this structure of topical neurons? What we are gonna to do if you see in the regressions or another things, what we want from the computer is to make some thing for us, minimize or maximize. Make us some functions to work better. For example, in the let's go here. In regression, we want the data to make us, the regression is like this, and we want the program to find the best B and best A. And in neural network, what we want to make a best use of, the thing that is important for us is that we want to optimize these weights and make them the best way it's impossible. Okay, what does this weight do and what they mean is not important for now. But the thing is important for you to know is that we want to optimize this weight, and they are very important for us. Okay, the inputs from some weights. Let's go to our structure. Let me make it one hidden layer. Okay, as you can see, the inputs from here, from these weights, go to this neuron. The thing that our program is doing is that it's going to optimize the weights. Look, now this weight is 26, and if we change the program, this weight is minus 40. And if we change it another, this weight is minus 90. The thing that our network is going to do is that it's going to optimize the weight in the best way that happens. Okay, if the network only going to optimize the weight, what we gonna have to do about it? Okay, it's important for you to now just understand that the model is going to optimize the weight and give us to us as a matrix that we can use. You can extract the matrix of weights if you want, but I don't probably recommend that, but you can use it. Okay, for now you understand what the weight is. In the next lesson we were going to understand something more. Have a good day and don't forget to like and subscribe. I make the theoretical lessons small and don't make them large for you to know better.